CNC milling is typically performed on either vertical or horizontal mills. These mills come with different configurations of axes and architecture, so it's important your CAM software is able to support the range of machining centers available today. FeatureCAM has numerous 2.5D and 3D toolpath strategies for both roughing and finishing operations for 3, 4 and 5 axis mills. For roughing, you can select a strategy for the quickest method of material removal according to your part shape and available tooling. This includes Vortex, a high-speed machining toolpath that controls the engagement angle of the cutting tool. Vortex maintains feed rates, increases material removal rates, and increases the tool life over the entirety of your toolpath. A range of finishing strategies are available to give the desired surface finish for both prismatic and freeform shapes. Options such as toolpath smoothing, point distribution, and arc fitting allow you to tailor the toolpath to suit the preferences of the machine controller. FeatureCAM supports 5-axis mills with a range of configurations including head-head, table-table, and head-table CNC machines. With multi-axis indexing in 3+2 or 4-axis, the index angle of your machine is automatically calculated based on the orientation of your program feature, with the option to quickly use the machine's alternate position to change it. 5-axis simultaneous toolpaths can be used to continually vary the tool axis during a toolpath. Tool axis can be improved by automatically tilting tools, shortening the required tool lengths and increasing tool rigidity for a better surface finish. Programming 5-axis mills with turning capabilities, commonly known as mill turn machines, combines turning and milling setups. Setups can be simulated in a single simulation to generate one part program containing all of your operations. The range of toolpath strategies that can be used for milling operations gives you the control you need to produce quality NC programs for your CNC milling machine and controller.